Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to stop fake reservation on booking.com. So let's get started. For that, let's get into this interface that is admin.booking.com and click on inbox and click on booking.com messages. And we can see this chat icon. Simply tap on this and click on start chat. And we need to write our problem that we would like to report certain reservation, and we can simply say in that, and our request will finally be considered if it is actually a fake reservation. And to know if some account is fake or the reservation is fake, and for that we need to get into this booking.com partner help, and under help we'll be able to see how to identify the fraud booking. Here we can see few potentially fraudulent booking, and if many times it is attempted with invalid credit card and last minute booking and more than one property and abnormally large number of booking is done, then it can be the fraud booking. So by identifying this, you can report the problem and it will be solved, or the fraud booking will finally be stopped. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.